Madadagadan ako. So I have to,
kayo pumitigil.
yeah, I have to protect myself kasi siguro they were mga 50 sila eh. Diba? Pumunta ako dito para mag-confer lang kay sarili yung security procedures. Nung paalis na ako, biglang nagdilubyo na rito, I just had to protect myself. Wala ba, there was no exchanges, there was no punches, wala. Hindi ko lang saktan. But I didn't know, hindi ko alam na parating sila. Diba?
Tinulak ba ho daw kayo ni Senator Padilla?
Hindi na, I wouldn't say tinulak niya ako, pero siya yung nasa harap ko nung parang isang wave ng tao biglang nasa harap ko. Nagulat na ako eh. Kung hindi motivated ba yung katawan ko, nahulog na ako nun eh. Kasi tapat ko yung pintuan mismo yung door jam. Nabuntang door jam na eh. So, baka nasaktan pa ako.
May chance pa kayong mag-sorry, hindi naman magsasorry.
Hindi na kailangan, trabaho lang nila yan. They were doing their job, I was doing my job ako, palabas lang ako. No feelings hurt. Physically, I wasn't hurt. If it takes more than that to hurt me.
Sir, what can you say po to Senator Pia saying that you did knock them po kasi you
No.
student?
Makita nyo naman, wala akong kasama. Tingnan nyo lahat ng video, ako lang mag-isa. Palabas na talaga ako. Diyan nakaparada kotse ko, diyan siya labas. Mag-isa lang talaga ako. Ang blocking force, dapat mga 100 kayo maghahanda. Pwede na ako mag-isa mag-block ng isang batalyon ng tao. Diba? Hindi ko kaya nun.
Para siguruhin na yung Texalian group ang nakapangyayari in the building, it's their committees, it's their witnesses.
I'm here kasi nagkakaroon ng parehong factions on left and right in the building. Diba? Ang iniiwasan namin, mag-clash yung dalawang yan. So nakiusap ko sa kanya, diba, let's keep things down, diba, report it down. And then we agreed, na nagkasundo na kami, kung paalis na ako, bigyan na lang, boom, sumabog na, may parating para sila. Diba?
External security sa madaling sabi.
Oh, external naman na role ko, I have no role here in the Senate.
Then why are you inside?
But to talk to, kinausap ko si Senator Gatchalian, nasabi ko, I asked him na doon kami sa labas. Diba? Yung sa loob, wala kami pakialam dito. Totoo naman eh, o sa ang head dito. Diba? Wala kami pakialam. So yun, dito yung see, walang pulis eh. Diba? Walang pulis dito. I was alone. I came here alone. I was almost trampled upon. Buti na lang, malakas-takas pa katawan ko, kaya kinaya ko naman.
But now, sir, you came from a meeting, right, sir, with Senator Gatchalian?
Yes.
Can you tell us more about it?
There was a summon of the Sandigan Bayan na para i-produce si Bryce Hernandez dito. Pero nung nakita namin, tinanong ko kung valid to, nag-order yung Old Blue Ribbon Committee. So kanina, pinakita niya sa akin na yung New Blue Ribbon Committee sumulat sa Sandigan Bayan na they no longer recognize the request of the Old Blue Ribbon Committee. So it's lang yun, it's a communications thing. Kasi baka ma-contempt yung mga tao ko sa BGNP eh, kung i-produce si Bryce Hernandez dito. So not to clarify everything. And they wrote to the Sandigan Bayan already na dahil ko lang nalaman, I don't have the copy. Yung tao ko. They have the copy already na cancel na yun sa people. Yung order to bring Bryce Hernandez here.
Kumbaga,